more so you can see. Forget the cable we sent you. It's nice to meet me. The pleasure is yours. Nella and my firm represent you. We'd like to book you on luxury tours. College campus Rotary Club. The kinds of bookings my office can do. Charlotte, Glenn, and talk into questions. It's educational, lucrative too.
My future's starting, I've got to let it stick with that plant and G, my bank account will thrive. What am I saying? No way, forget it. It's much too dangerous to keep that plant alive. I take his offers, that means more killing. Who knew success would come with messy, nasty strings? I sign these contracts, that means I'm willing to keep on doing bloody, awful, evil things. No, no, there's only so far you can bend. No, no, this nightmare must come to an end. No, no, you've got no alternative, seem will avoid, but when means will be broke again and unemployed. It's the only solution, it can't be avoided, the vegetable must be destroyed. But then there's Audrey, lovely Audrey. If life were tawdry and impoverished as before, she may not like me, she may not want me. Without my plant, she might not love me anymore.
Feed me. Food. Food.
Lay off, Dewey. Can't you see I'm busy?
Tough tea.
Watch your language.
Drug.
Give me a break, will ya? I've got to finish my speech for the lecture tour, and it's all about you. Give me some peace and quiet, or I'll tell them the truth.
Don't get cute with me. I made you and I can break you.
Go ahead, break me. You think it's easy living with the guilt?
Cut the crap. Bring on the meat.
Oh, if only you'd eat meat. If only you touch a mouse or a fly. But no, you're so particular.
Oh, come on, Crowbar, feed me. I need to snushig, and that was a week ago.
Just hold out one more night, can you? That's all I ask. Life magazine will be here in the morning to take our pictures.
And then you'll find me some coffee?
And then you'll never be hungry again. I promise.
Chow time, Crowboard. Food, food, feed me food.
That's
food,
it!
Food,
I can't
feed
take
me
it!
food,
Just
food,
shut up! Will you
food,
stop
feed me
squalling?
food,
For
food,
God's
food,
sake!
feed me
Shut up!
food,
Shut up!
food,
Shut up!
feed me
Shut up!
What's the matter with you?
It's the matter with me. Don't you think I know it needs food? Don't you think I know it'll die if I don't feed it soon? Don't you think I've been trying to think of something? Some way, someone!
Seymour! You're hysterical! What's the big deal about a little plant food? I think growing this place all by yourself is too much for you. When did Mrs. Mushnick say she'd be back?
Huh?
You know? And then no, you
suppose, just for a moment, that there've never even been an Audrey 2. That I was a nothing, a nobody. Would you still like me?
I'd still love you, Seymour.
Then it's settled.
What's settled? The gun!
Bullets, rat poison, and machete. Tomorrow, right after Life magazine takes our pictures, you know who bites the dust?
Seymour!
Right. They'll snap the photo, we'll be famous. I'll take that TV job, and we'll live a nice, quiet, normal life together. No more night feedings, no more squalling for blood.
What feelings? What blood? I don't get it, Seymour. Bullets, knives, rat poison, you're scaring me.
You have nothing to be scared of. We'll go away from you. I'll take you to that little development you've always dreamed about. And once we're there, we'll live happily ever after. I promise. Nice little house, nice little car. And no plants. No plants at all.
You're talking so peculiar, Seymour.
I'll explain everything to you tomorrow. Just go home now, Audrey. Please. Just go home.
I can't leave you in this condition.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about anything.
Feed me.
Under no circumstances,
Feed me.
I will not. So stop asking.
Feed me.
Look, I can't take much more of this. How about I run down the corner and get you a pound of rare roast beef? Maybe that'll hold you over till Life magazine gets here.
Nuh-uh. No way.
Look, it's my final offer. Yes or no?
Better than nothing.
Done. Fine. Great. And don't think you're getting dessert.
I couldn't sleep. I took a Somanex. The voices in my head kept saying, go to Seymour, talk to Seymour. I drank some tea, but gee, the feeling wasn't gone. Seymour, sweetheart, tell me, darling, what's been going on? Who said that? Is somebody in there?
No, it's Seymour. It's me.
Oh my God!
Certainly Audrey too. This plant is talking.
I don't believe this.
Believe it, baby. It talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, and you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a
I
drink.
don't know if I should.
Hey, little lady,
I just want water,
nice.
right?
Should do all drinking
Why,
straight.
poor thing.
Don't need no glass and no ice. Don't need no twist of lime. And now it's supper time.
Let go!
Relax and it'll be easier for you. Come join your dentist friend and Mushnik to right inside.
Let go!
Come on, Audrey!
Leave me alone!
Stop squirming!
Leave me alone! Somebody help me! Leave me alone! No!
Audrey, no! Get off of her! Get off of her! Audrey, are you alright?
Yes! No!
Don't die, Audrey. Please, please don't die. I need you.
No! The plant just said the strangest thing just now. It said about Warren and Mrs. Mushnick were all inside.
It's true. did. I fed them to it.
That's what made so big and strong and you so famous?
I've done terrible things. But not to you. Never to you.